Hello, welcome to the teardown video of DAIKOMED's 3-ply Meltblown face mask. Let's look at the mask first. The color we have in front of us today is called medical blue. It is, as you can see, blue in the front and white from the back. This is the side that touches your face when you wear it. The 3 pleats on the front open up when you pull the mask over your face, like this. It has 2 elastic ear loops, which are ultrasonically welded onto the mask and are quite strong. It also has a nose wire insert. Just mold the wire to the shape of your nose like this. Now let's tear down the mask. I will cut along the ultrasonic welds here to show you the 3 layers of this mask. Here, the 3 layers are now separated. As you can see, that there are 3 folds for the pleats. This is the inner layer made from 25 grams square meter spun bond polypropylene non-woven fabric. This side touches your face. It is made from soft fibers to feel light and comfortable on your face. The middle layer is made of 25 grams square meter Meltblown non-woven fabric. This is the main filter that protects the user from harmful germs, bacteria, viruses, and dust. It has a bacterial filtration efficiency of 99.9%. This is the outer layer. It is also made from 25 grams square meter spun bond polypropylene non-woven fabric. This is the side facing the person in front of you. Now let's separate the nose wire from the mask. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, maintain social distancing, and always wash your hands before and after using the face mask.